Hi students, and welcome to week 14 in your online general psychology course. Here we are at week 14. We are really down to the wire here. This chapter will be over industrial and organizational psychology. This is a relatively new area in the field of psychology and really focuses at looking at how psychology can be useful and helpful in the world of business and organizations and everything from employees to productivity to processes and so forth. So I hope you enjoy learning about industrial and organizational, or otherwise known as I&O psychology. So this week, in addition to your chapter 14 assignments, you'll have 2 Connect assignments and then a chapter 14 quiz. You do have an analysis of a journal article due. Now, don't let that title scare you. It's a mouthful, but it's really not that big of a deal. I mean, it's an important assignment, but it's not a long assignment. I also have an example right above here for you to see what I'm asking for. But as I open this up here, I do have another video that explains exactly what I want for everything to be done in this article. So check out that video, but basically you're all researching the same article, this article right here by Song, Zhao, Zhao, Ping, and Chu over subliminal messaging. And then you are, in your own words, answering the questions right here. So I'm not asking you to write a research paper. I'm asking you to read a peer-reviewed article and then pull out the important topics from those parts. And don't forget to cite the article. So I'd say in most cases, it's about 1.5 to 2 pages typed. I'm not really looking for a particular length. I'm looking for content. So 2 Connect assignments, your quiz for this week, and then this journal critique. And this is your last writing assignment. So have a great week and let me know if you have any questions.